English-Kazakh future, to be, I will be.
bolu,
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. Let's make future tense in Kazakh easy and fun today. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly language sidekick. For more bite-sized lessons, printables, and audio drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll sound confident talking about the future. Ready? Your goal. Master the future forms of to be in Kazakh.
bolu, боласың. Ол болады. Біз боламыз. Сендер боласыңдар. Олар болады.
Forms you'll use. Say them out loud with me. Future you will thank you. I will be, base verb.
болу,
In sentences you'll hear forms like, I will be ready.
мен дайын боламын.
Closing parenthesis dot. You, singular, will be.
боласың.
He will be.
Ол болады.
She will be.
Ол болады.
It will be.
Ол болады.
We will be.
Біз боламыз.
You, plural, will be.
Сендер боласыңдар.
They will be.
Олар болады.
Fast mini dialogues. Let's drop these into real lines you can use today. Repeat after me. I will be there at 6.
Мен сағат 6-да сонда боламын.
You will be ready.
Ертең сен дайын боласың.
He will be at home.
Ол үйде болады.
She will be online at 9.
Сағат 9-да ол онлайн болады.
It will be ready at 6.
6-да ол дайын болады.
We will be on time.
Біз уақытында боламыз.
You, plural, will be our guests.
Сендер біздің қонақтарымыз боласыңдар.
They will be there at noon.
Түсте олар сонда болады.
Call and response. I prompt in English, you say the Kazakh out loud. I'll reveal the answer after a short pause. You, singular, will be. Answer.
боласың.
He will be. Answer.
Ол болады.
She will be. Answer.
Ол болады.
It will be. Answer.
Ол болады.
We will be. Answer.
Біз боламыз.
You, plural, will be. Answer.
Сендер боласыңдар.
They will be. Answer.
Олар болады.
Base verb to be, infinitive. Answer.
болу,
Culture tip. Speak like locals, short, confident, and kind. In Kazakh, people often reassure with short phrases like, it will be fine.
ол жақсы болады.
You can also show team spirit, we will be together.
Біз бірге боламыз.
Keep it warm, keep it simple. Quick quiz. Pop quiz time, you've got this. Say the answer out loud. Q1. How do you say, you, singular, will be? A.
боласың.
Q2. Translate, they will be. A.
Олар болады.
Q3. What is the base verb, to be, in Kazakh? A.
болу,
Q4. Say, we will be. A.
Біз боламыз.
Q5. Give, it will be. A.
Ол болады.
Final challenge. Now build full lines. Say them before I reveal the Kazakh. Say, we will be at home in the evening.
Кешке біз үйде боламыз.
Say, you, plural, will be our guests.
Сендер біздің қонақтарымыз боласыңдар.
Say, he will be on time.
Ол уақытында болады.
Say, it will be easy.
Ол оңай болады.
Say, tomorrow, I will be ready. Use the base in brackets.
Ертең мен дайын боламын.
Opening parenthesis.
Болу,
Closing parenthesis. Dot. Goodbye and next steps. You did great, future you is proud. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing these forms daily.
болу, боласың. Ол болады. Біз боламыз. Сендер боласыңдар. Олар болады.
For more lessons, downloads, and laughs, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.